What's up, guys? It's the Beta Boys again and again. So, boy Alvin,
Williams.
yeah, Mr. Williams and Ozod. Today there's something changed here. Someone is looking good today.
Mr. Ozod.
Mr. Ozod. Shout out to Ozod, you guys. He looks very good. I think you all see him.
Show them your haircut. Show them your haircut.
You guys you should trust your barber for sure. Wow. So guys, on our previous post, we watched a BTS guide, and now we are an official army.
You guys go check that video if you still didn't.
Yeah, it's very good, guys. We didn't believe our eyes. We are so pleased with BTS. Right now, we cannot stop reacting to them. We love them. We love your support. We appreciate everything you guys do to us. Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
And show us more love.
More love.
More love.
Yeah, of course, we must make BTS grow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys should support us to make BTS grow. So today, we are back with another banger video. Guess what? Today we are here with Airplane. The airplane, you know, like airplane?
Airplane, yeah.
Now I'm so surprised this song is Japanese version. These guys can sing Japanese, can sing Korean, can sing English. I'm so surprised. It's Japanese version. Are you ready?
So yeah.
So
excited.
Yeah. So I think we should get right into it, right?
Yeah.
This is Airplane by BTS, pt.2. I like the start.
Starting.
Cool. Like a kind of cowboy vibes. V. Okay, I'm sorry, but I think you noticed the cowboy vibes,
Yeah,
you know, like
yeah.
the veg and cookies, the voice is mwah. Yeah, I think we should rewind this a little bit and see. Yeah. I like the start, I like everything. Sorry guys, sorry again. Look. I didn't notice this. Did you
see
notice
that?
it? Huh?
The voice change and
The
that
transition, the move, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Jimin is crazy for sure. Yo! No. I cannot do that. How?
Only Jamie.
Only Jimin, right? Jimin things.
Yeah.
Jimin doing Jimin's things. You know, like no. Okay, we should join it. Here. allowed. It's allowed. You can do it here.
I wanna see.
Sorry guys, I cannot dance.
Why? Why can't you dance? Of course you can.
I'm bad at dancing.
Hey.
Come on, let's check it.
Hey.
Come on, let's check it. Hey. Come
Whoa.
on, let's laugh it.
It's a
Come on, let's
jail.
check it. Hey. Come on, to the county. Come on, toast the session. Hey. Come on, let's.
Bro, I always ask myself, does this guy have bones? Like the way he moves, like
Yeah.
how can someone move like
Flying,
this?
come on, like a fading. 얘도 너의 maybe. 난내몸この状況들. 내調子こして今君らへ気持ちを還元するこのポイント使いそう。Airplane mode。周りはオフ、指示はいらないもう。このままファーストキープしこの席から眺める夜空を。I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. 止める方法も。I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know.
Okay.
休む方法も。
We have a lot to see, you guys. We have a lot to see.
間違う方法も。I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. テレビでやる可愛らしい自慢もフェイラップ剣はヒーローで限界メディアからの恩恵そっちの方ではハハハハセレブアスピーナーでやつの俺たちは何も変わってない飛んでめきしこせてルノミポ俺らが行けばどこだってバーマリオーズマリオーズマリオーズ飛んで遠くへ行ったHow come you proud
Okay, you guys, I think you see this. We don't know the language, but we're already vibing with this song.
Yeah.
I like the themes, the colors, the yellow. You know, the
Yeah.
yellow's my favorite. Yellow and red, of course. Mm.
世界中どこにでも歌いに
Yeah. I like this place. The feel.
Yeah.
I like it very much.
Look.
The Cowboys themselves.
Yeah.
Hey. Wow.
Wow. I think this song is a 10 out of 10.
I'm speechless right now.
10!
I'm speechless. I'm speechless right now.
Yeah.
10.
I'm speechless.
Yeah.
This is BTS. Okay, let's talk about of course, about the meaning we're not sure because it's Japanese.
Yeah. Mm.
So there are no subtitles in this song, but I've had like Tokyo. I'll take you to Tokyo, London, not Tokyo, na. yeah, like that. I had Tokyo, I had London here, I'm sure. I know some of the Japanese. I had London and Tokyo. Now I think it's about travel or what. I'm not sure. Or taking someone there. But it's like that. So I give it a 10 out of a 10.
10.
It's only 10, of course.
When I remember.
Just vibing. From
Okay.
the beginning.
Maybe we
to
should
the
check
end.
their live performance here.
Yeah.
Yeah, their live performance. I think we'll like it.
They start with the
Yeah. Oh, you tried the quality? Yes, the quality is like that. Okay. I like the start. Oh, yes, subtitles.
But it's Korean.
Yeah, let's go confused.
Jimmy later.
Hey.
But I see no star.
just a performance. Alright, man. Yeah. You see this?
London to Paris,
Yeah, it's true. Okay, I think my Japanese teacher worked something on that. Yeah. I'm taking New York to Paris.
Yeah, London to Paris.
London to Paris. New York to Cali. Yeah. New York to Cali.
우리가 가는 그곳이 아니는 Paris We're going from Tokyo, Italy Hong Kong to Brazil 이 세계 어디서나 듣는 노래하래
Brazil.
Hong Kong to Brazil.
Brazilian. Come on, huh? By the way, how are these people doing too much for just a performance? This is just a performance. Did you see?
Yeah.
All these were performance. These people have no competitors in this industry. Imagine, it's just a performance. It's our first performance, by the way.
Yeah,
Hmm.
all of them were very talented. Yeah.
This guy is man.
mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi.
Man, J.O.P. is dancing. See the theme, they're holding for him mic. Jimin, that's the main voice, I'm sure.
실패하는 법도 TV 나와서 하는 귀여운 도시락들 앞에 여권을 바로 사줄게 여행 혜택을 되려 넌 내가 받았지 가가가가
They kind of see the outfit, man. I like the hat.
We're going from Mexico City
Welcome to Paris.
우리가 가는 그곳이 어디든 Paris mariachi mariachi We're going from Tokyo, Italy Hong Kong to Brazil 이 세계 어디서나 부르는 노래하리 El mariachi El mariachi El mariachi El mariachi
You hear the Jimin song? The vocals. I think it's Jimin and Jungkook. Man, I can breathe.
How did you feel?
I can breathe.
What did you feel?
I can breathe.
This song is going to stay in my mind for the next 10 days, even more.
I'm sure even more for sure.
Yeah.
Man. Na 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 na. Guys, for sure I love the song, I love the performance.
Yeah.
By the way, their performance is so on fire.
On fire, amazing.
Like they do a lot for a performance for sure. Even nowadays people don't do like that for performance. But for them, they take things seriously, you know, and they like this. We like this, of course.
Yeah.
You know, you're an artist, huh? You're supposed to prepare. You're supposed to make things good. Like these people.
Like they do. Yeah.
The dance move, the song, the arrangement. It's BTS, man. It's BTS. BTS being BTS.
Yeah.
BTS being BTS. Anything to say?
No.
Okay, tell a thing to people today. Tell something. Tell them something. They wanna hear your voice. Today you look good, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
What should I tell?
Just thank you and
This music is so good.
Yeah, I'm sure
so
you love
good.
it. But hey guys, also thank you for your support. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. We can't believe this.
Yeah.
You guys don't see us. We don't notice. We notice, but we can't believe it. We are not sure if it's 1,000 or what. We are not sure. We can't believe it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for showing love and show more love. Like,
Like,
Cool, man.
subscribe.
Subscribe, share. If you like your videos, you can subscribe and turn on post notifications.
yeah.
It's the Beta Boys.
Ciao.
See you.